Want to practice English with your partner tonight?
We've got 12 romantic conversations for you.
Perfect for Valentine's Day.
Practice love, dating, and relationship English.
Together.
Let's make this Valentine's Day educational and romantic.
Happy Valentine's Day. I'm Mary.
And I'm Alex. Welcome to English on Autopilot.
Today's episode is special. It's interactive.
We're going to teach you 12 conversations that couples have.
You can practice these with your partner tonight.
Each conversation has two parts, person A and person B.
After we demonstrate, you and your partner can practice together.
We've got conversations for every stage of relationships.
From first dates to long-term couples.
Whether you're single, dating, or married, there's something here for you.
Ready to practice romantic English?
Let's go.
Conversation 1. Planning the date. This is perfect for couples deciding what to do.
I'll be person A. Mary is person B. Listen first. So, what do you want to do for Valentine's Day?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I asked you first.
Okay. Maybe dinner somewhere nice?
That sounds perfect. Any place in mind?
What about that Italian restaurant downtown?
The one we went to last year?
Yeah, you liked it, right?
Loved it. Let's go there.
Great. Should I make a reservation?
Yes, please. For 7 p.m.?
Perfect. It's a date. Okay, let's break this down. Key phrases.
What do you want to do? Asking for plans.
What about? Suggesting an idea.
Any place in mind? Asking for suggestions.
Should I? Offering to do something.
It's a date. Confirming the plan.
Now you practice. One person is A, one is B.
Pause the video, practice together, then come back.
Conversation 2. At the restaurant.
This is what you might say during dinner.
This place looks amazing.
I know, right? The ambiance is so romantic.
Should we get an appetizer?
Ooh, yes. What looks good to you?
The bruschetta sounds nice.
Perfect. And for the main course?
I'm thinking pasta. What about you?
Same. Should we share a dessert?
Absolutely. We have to try their tiramisu.
This is going to be so good.
I'm really glad we came here.
Me too. This is perfect.
Key phrases from this conversation.
I know, right? Agreeing enthusiastically.
What looks good to you? Asking for opinion.
Should we share? Suggesting to split something.
I'm really glad. Expressing happiness.
These are super common at restaurants.
Your turn to practice.
Conversation 3. Giving compliments. So important.
You look absolutely stunning tonight.
Aw, thank you. You look really handsome too.
Is that a new dress?
Yeah, do you like it?
I love it. That color looks amazing on you.
You're so sweet. I wasn't sure about it.
Are you kidding? You look incredible.
You're making me blush.
Good, you deserve to hear it.
Well, you look pretty great yourself.
Thank you. I tried really hard tonight.
It shows. You always look beautiful.
Compliment vocabulary.
Stunning, very beautiful, handsome, attractive, usually for men, incredible, amazing, fantastic, making me blush, embarrassed but happy.
Notice how they both give and receive compliments.
When someone compliments you, say, thank you, and compliment them back.
Practice giving compliments with your partner. Conversation 4. Sharing feelings. Getting deeper. I've been wanting to tell you something.
What is it?
I'm really happy with you.
Really? That makes me so happy to hear.
Yeah, like really happy. You make me smile every day.
Aw, you make me happy too.
I just wanted you to know that.
Thank you for telling me. It means a lot.
I'm glad I did. I should tell you more often.
I feel the same way, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, you're really special to me.
Feelings vocabulary. I'm happy with you. Satisfied with a relationship. You make me smile. You bring me joy. It means a lot. It's very important to me. You're special to me. You're important.
Sharing feelings is scary but important.
These phrases help you express emotions safely.
practice telling your partner how you feel. Conversation 5. Planning the future together. Where should we go for our anniversary?
I don't know. Any ideas?
What about a weekend trip somewhere?
Ooh, I like that. Where were you thinking?
Maybe the mountains or the beach?
The beach sounds amazing. When?
How about next month?
Let me check my calendar. Yes, I'm free.
Perfect. I'll start looking at hotels.
This is going to be so fun.
I can't wait.
Me neither, just you and me. Future planning phrases.
What about suggesting an idea? How about another way to suggest? I'll start looking, taking action. I can't wait. Very excited.
Making plans together shows commitment.
Use these phrases to plan your future.
Hey, I'm sorry about earlier.
What do you mean?
I was kind of short with you. I was stressed from work.
Oh, I didn't really notice.
Still, I shouldn't have taken it out on you.
It's okay. I understand. Work is stressful.
That's no excuse, though. I'm sorry.
I appreciate you saying that.
I'll try to be better about it.
Thank you. And if you're stressed, just tell me.
I will. Thanks for understanding.
Of course. We're a team. Apology phrases.
I'm sorry about. Taking responsibility. I shouldn't have. Acknowledging mistake. That's no excuse. Not making excuses. I'll try to be better. Promising improvement.
Good apologies are specific.
Don't just say sorry. Explain what you're sorry for.
And accept apologies gracefully. Did you just steal a fry from my plate?
Maybe. What are you going to do about it?
I'm gonna steal one of yours.
Go ahead. I dare you.
You're lucky you're cute.
I know. That's why you keep me around.
So confident. Where does it come from?
Natural talent.
Oh, please. You're ridiculous.
Ridiculously charming, you mean.
You're impossible.
But you love me anyway.
Playful teasing phrases. You're lucky you're cute.
Joking compliment.
I dare you.
Playful challenge.
You're ridiculous.
Affectionate teasing.
But you love me anyway.
Playful teasing should be fun and light.
Never mean or hurtful.
Conversation 8. Showing appreciation. So important. Thank you for always being so patient with me.
Of course. That's what love is.
Oh, really? I know I can be difficult sometimes.
We all can be. It's okay.
But you never make me feel bad about it.
Because I love you. All of you.
I don't tell you enough how much I appreciate you.
You show me every day in little ways.
Still, I should say it more. Thank you.
Thank you too. For everything.
We're pretty good together, aren't we?
The best. Appreciation vocabulary.
Thank you for always. I appreciate you. You show me. We're good together.
Tell your partner what you appreciate.
Don't wait. Do it today.
Conversation 9. The relationship talk. Can we talk about something?
Of course. What's on your mind?
I've been thinking about us.
Okay. Is everything all right?
Yeah, everything's great. I just wanted to check in.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm really happy.
Me too. Are you happy with how things are going?
Absolutely. Are you?
Very happy. I just wanted to make sure we're on the same page.
We definitely are. Thanks for asking.
Good. I'm glad we talked about this.
Me too. Communication is important. Relationship check-in phrases.
Can we talk about something? Opening conversation.
What's on your mind? Inviting sharing.
Are you happy with? Asking for feelings.
On the same page. Agreeing or aligned. Regular check-ins keep relationships healthy.
Don't be afraid to ask how your partner feels.
Good morning, beautiful.
Morning. Did you sleep well?
Like a rock. You?
Pretty good. Want some coffee?
Yes, please. You're the best.
I know.
What's your plan for today?
Work, then grocery shopping. You?
Same, minus the shopping.
Want to make dinner together tonight?
Sounds perfect. What should we make?
Surprise me. Morning freezes. Did you sleep well? Common morning question. Like a rock. Slept very well. What's your plan? Asking about the day. Sounds perfect, agreeing enthusiastically.
Morning conversations set the tone for the day.
Conversation 11. Working through conflict. I feel like we're not connecting lately.
Really? I didn't realize. Tell me more.
We're both so busy, we barely talk.
You're right. I've been distracted with work.
I have too, but I miss us.
I miss us too. What can we do?
Maybe set aside time each day, just for us?
Like a daily date?
Even just 30 minutes, no phones.
I love that idea. Let's start tonight.
Really?
Absolutely. You're my priority.
Conversation 12. Saying goodnight. Perfect ending.
I had the best time tonight.
Me too. Thank you for everything.
Thank you for being you.
You're so sweet.
I mean it. Tonight was perfect.
It really was. I love spending time with you.
Same here, every moment.
I'm so lucky to have you.
I'm the lucky one. Let's not argue about that.
Fine. We're both lucky.
Deal. Good night. I love you.
I love you too. Sweet dreams.
Good night phrases.
I had the best time expressing enjoyment.
Thank you for being you. Deep appreciation.
I'm lucky to have you expressing gratitude.
Sweet dreams. Kind goodnight wish.
End your day with love.
Want more conversation ideas? Here are 5 bonus topics.
Topic 1. Discussing dreams and goals. What's something you want to achieve this year? How can I support your goals?
Topic 2. Memory sharing. What's your favorite memory of us? When did you know you loved me?
Topic 3. Silly questions. If you could have any superpower, what would it be? What's your secret talent?
Topic 4. Deep questions. What makes you feel most loved? What are you most afraid of?
Topic 5. Planning adventures. If we could go anywhere in the world, where? What's on your bucket list?
These conversations deepen your connection.
And they're great English practice.
Now it's your turn to practice.
We'll give you prompts. Pause the video and have the conversation with your partner.
Prompt 1. Plan a future trip together. Where will you go?
Prompt 2. Tell your partner 3 things you appreciate about them.
Prompt 3. Discuss your favorite memory together.
Prompt 4. Plan what you'll do next Valentine's Day.
How did it go? Was it fun?
This is how you practice English together. Congratulations! You learned 12 couple conversations.
Plus 5 bonus topics.
These conversations work for any couple, dating, engaged, or married.
You can practice these again and again.
Make it a Valentine's Day tradition. Practice English together.
The best part? You're learning and bonding.
Here's your homework. Have 3 of these conversations with your partner this week.
Don't just practice for English. Practice for your relationship.
Communication is the key to love.
Happy Valentine's Day to all couples out there.
And to the singles too. Save this video for when you find someone.
Thanks for watching English on Autopilot.
Subscribe for more couple English lessons.
And tell us in the comments which conversation was your favorite.
See you next time.
Bye.